Welcome to the channel. Topic of today's lesson is trigonometric ratios. Student, trigonometry is a branch of science which deals with the study of triangles. There are different types of triangle. One of them is right angle triangle. Students, it is a triangle whose one angle is 90 degree. The three sides of right angle triangle has specific names. One is called base, other is called perpendicular, and third one is hypotenuse. Which one is base, which one is perpendicular, which one is hypotenuse? It depends upon the given angle. The side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse, and side opposite to given angle is called perpendicular, and third side will be base. It is rule for naming the sides of triangle. Students, when the ratio between any two sides of a triangle is taken, it is called trigonometric ratio. Number one, when we divide perpendicular with hypotenuse, this ratio is called sine theta, where theta is the given angle. The second ratio is base when divided by hypotenuse. This ratio is called cos theta. And the third ratio is the ratio between perpendicular and base of a right angle triangle, and this ratio is named as tangent theta. Students, the values of these ratios depend on the value of the angle theta. Now there is a table which shows what are the values of these three trigonometric ratios for different values of the given angle. Students, our today's lesson is to learn how this table can be formed by yourself. It is very easy process. First of all, what we need is a table having 6 columns and 5 rows. On the top of each column, we will mention the commonly used angles. They are 0 degree that we commonly use, 30 degree angle, 45 degree angle, 60 degree and 90 degree. For these 5 angles, we will find the values of these trigonometric ratios. To complete the table, how we will complete it, there are few steps. Number 1, write the angles at the top as I told you. Then listen carefully what you will do next. First of all, write the first 5 digits starting from 0. 0, then digit is 1, then 2, then 3, then 4. First 4 numbers, 0 is included, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Write them 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Second step will be divide all these numbers by 4. 4 divided by 4, 3 divided by 4, 2 divided by 4, 1 divided by 4, 0 divided by 4. And third step is take the square root of these fractions. Under root 0 by 4, under root 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4 and 4 by 4. After taking these steps, now we will solve these fractions. First of all, for the values of sine theta. When 0 is divided by 4, what we get, that is the value of sine theta. When 0 is divided by something, we get 0. So sine of 0 will be 0. Solution of this fraction. Sine of 30, when 1 divided by 4 and then under root is taken, answer will be 1 by 2, or in decimals answer will be 0.5. So it is the value of sine of 30. Similarly, sine of 45 is when 2 divided by 4 under root is solved, answer will be 1 over 2 under root or 0.707. It is the value of sine of 45. Next is sine of 60. 3 divided by 4 whole under root. Answer will be 3 under root by 2 or in decimal 0.866. And finally, sine of 90. 4 divided by 4, 1 under root 1. Sine of 90 is 1. So these are the values for the 5 angles of the ratio sine. Sine 0, 0. Sine of 30, 0.5. Sine of 45, 0.707. Sine of 60, 0.866. And sine of 90 is 1. Look carefully, students. Out of these 5 values, 2 are very simple. One is the minimum value, that is 0. Keep in your mind the minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 1. the smallest angle is 0 and the largest angle is 90 degree. So the minimum value is for 0 and maximum value is for 90 degree. These two values are known. Then rest of three values are the numbers. They are increasing from 0 and less than 1. After 0, the first number is 0.5. That is, the second angle was 30, so it is the value of 30. Next higher number is 0.7. Next higher angle was 45. So value of 45 is 0.7. Value of 60 is next higher number 0.8. So you have to remember just these 3 points. 0.5 greater than 0, greater than 0.5 is 0.7, and then is 0.8. So these 5 angles will have these 5 values. 0 minimum, then 0.5, then 0.7, then 0.8, and then 1. So these are the values of sine theta. Next, what will be the value of cos theta? To get the values of cos theta, what we will do, simply we will write these numbers in the first row, which were for sine theta, in reverse order in the next row for getting the values of cos theta. Now start writing them in reverse order. First of all, we will write the 1. That will give us the value of cos of 0. Then we will write next number, that is 0.866. It will be the value of cos of 30. Then the third number, it will remain third in this row also because it is in the middle. So we concluded that cos of 45 and sine of 45 are having same values. Similarly, the third and the next for the value of 60 degree, there will be 0.5, and at last there will be 0. So this line is reversed in the second line to get the values of cos theta. At the end, how we will get the value of tangent theta? In trigonometry, ratio of sine theta over cos theta is called tangent theta. Means to get the value of tangent, what we will do, we will simply divide the value in this line with the value in this line. Or we will divide sine theta with cos theta. For example, what will be the value of tangent 0? It will be sine 0 divided by cos 0. Numerically, 0 divided by 1 will give you 0. So tangent 0 is 0. Now come to tangent 30. Means sine 30 divided by cos 30 will give you tangent 30. When this fraction 1 by 2 is divided by 3 under root by 2 or 0.5 divided by 0.866, you will get 1 over under root 3 in fractions or 0.577 in decimals. Next, 45. Tangent 45, repeat my words, tangent 45 is equal to sine 45 divided by cos 45. Simple is the case. Divide this value with this value, you will get the value for tangent. Both are same, the value will be 1. And for 60 degree, again I repeat, sine of 60 divided by cos of 60 will give you tangent of 60. Putting the values, you will get answer like this, 1.73 or 3 under root. And finally, tangent of 90 is obtained by dividing sine of 90 with cos of 90. And you know, when something is divided by 0, answer becomes infinite or infinity. Students, so this is how we can make the table of trigonometric ratios by ourselves. I hope it is clear. Students, thank you for sparing your time for watching the video. If you learned something, don't forget to subscribe the channel. Take care of you. Thank you.